Is your 2013-2019 Nissan Sentra key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money around $50 to $100 compared to a dealership, and takes only 5 to 10 minutes. This video will guide you through the process, step by step. These key fobs typically last 3 to 5 years, and intermittent signals are a key sign of a dying battery. Locate the small slot or seam on your Nissan Sentra key fob. It's usually on the back or side. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into the slot and carefully pry the fob open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage to the plastic casing. The fob is designed for easy disassembly. Once the fob is open, you'll see the circuit board and the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side usually faces up. Carefully remove the old battery. Using gloves is recommended to prevent oil or fingerprints from affecting the electronics. Check for any corrosion on the battery contacts. Now for step 3, insert the new battery. Take your CR2032 battery and place it in the compartment with the positive side facing up. This is crucial because putting it in backwards can damage the key fob's electronics. Press it firmly into place to ensure good contact. Step 4, close the key fob. Carefully snap the key fob back together, ensuring all edges are aligned. Press firmly until you hear a click, indicating that the fob is securely closed. Double check that there are no gaps or loose parts. Test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. The car should respond immediately. If the fob doesn't work, double check the battery orientation and ensure there's no corrosion on the contacts. If issues persist, try pressing all buttons simultaneously to reset the fob. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check the battery contacts for corrosion. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly, following EPA guidelines for e-waste. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 equivalents to minimize waste. While these fobs are robust, avoid excessive button pressing to prolong battery life. Note that reprogramming is usually not required after a battery replacement, unless the fob is damaged.